Nestled in the Cultural Arts District in historic downtown Lancaster, South Carolina, is the Native American Studies Center, a cooperative effort of the city and the university, part museum, part research center, part downtown college classroom. Our galleries include the D. Lindsay Pettis Gallery with the story of Catawba pottery, a permanent exhibit detailing a 5,000-year-old folk tradition with pieces from the world's largest collection of Catawba pots. The Red Rose Gallery has become home to year-long exhibits featuring the center's ongoing Artist-in-Residence program. The North Gallery features Share a Little of That Human Touch, documenting Native American prehistory via archaeology from the Ice Age to European contact. In our Duke Energy Gallery, we are hosting year-long exhibits featuring the various tribes in South Carolina, designed and written by the tribes. Down the hall are offices and classrooms for the Native American Studies faculty, an archaeology lab, special collections, archives, historian's office, Catawba language lab, and a folk life recording studio.